Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this section, I want to talk and share about my UTS argumentative speaking. And this midterm test is you speak about this house belief in the UU Cipta Kerja or the Constitution of Cipta Kerja in Indonesia. There are omnibus law. I mean in here UU Cipta Kerja is one of 4 points in the Omnibus Law. And in this section, I won't talk about my opinion based on data and research what I did before for my pros and cons, like tutorial before. Okay, let's begin. Let's start. First of all, for my pros or my government opinion about this house belief in the UU Cipta Kerja, UU Cipta Kerja or the Constitution of Cipta Kerja, there are 76 constitution in there. This constitution, this 176 UU is from the UU before. Evidence in here, the bureaucration on the regulation from this is too easily than before. UU, the number 11 year of 2020 in this motion is from the regulation of Indonesia. The problem regulation in Indonesia, there are uncontrolled quantity and also then there is no single regulatory authority, and because of that we make, and as the government team, as and the government of Indonesia make this constitution. This constitution, there are enhancement of the investment ecosystem, ease of licensing, protection and empowerment of UMKM, infrastructure, and also about the employment. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about detail one by one. Enhancement of the investment ecosystem in here, there are investors from another country on the investation of the multinational corporation which in Indonesia, and because of that, ease of licensing of the this multinational corporation will take and took in Indonesia. I mean in here, the constitution before, what we have as the Indonesian government is too difficult. And because this omnibus law, especially in this UU Cipta Kerja, make the licensing of the enhancement of the investment ecosystem too easily for another country and for the multinational corporation. Why? As the government of Indonesia need that. Okay, infrastructure, we need that as the Indonesian government. And also, from that, employment, and also I mean in here, employment will take and that's, yeah. From the Luhut Bansar Panjaitan said, this UU or this constitution take the Indonesian economic and investment overview as the topic, as the main topic. Yeah, because this constitution is about the investment and also the economic of Indonesia in the future. Why? Indonesian economic have the target until 6% in the next year. And this transformation of GDP per capita. We as the Indonesian team and as the Indonesian government is to slowly and is to reach down what we have GDP before. And this constitution we make to up that GDP. And also the Indonesian of economic. The bureaucration and also the regulation in here is too easily. Yeah, this is Omnibus Law and this is UU Cipta Kerja. Why? Indonesia, we as Indonesia now, there are a middle income trap, and we not to in this section anymore. We also want to high income trap and high income economic. And yeah, this solution is we must to come the another country on investment and the multinational corporation. And yeah, the status quo in here is that okay, and that's my pros and what's my in before. But before in that, there are 10 indicator of World Bank, and Indonesia ranks down 4 indicator. And there is a 1 dealing with construction permit. Number 2, protection minority investor. Number 4, trading across border. And number 5 is enforcing contracts. And about this indicator World Bank, we Indonesia ranks down, the President of Jokowi pressure this constitution. And yeah, we now and we must to have this constitution. Okay, that's my pros. And now my cons on the opposition team. Why we should reject this constitution? First, the Constitution number 12, the year of 2011, there are a main constitution in Indonesia for the formation of legislation. This omnibus law is formal defects before. Why? The meeting is not important. The meeting is not transparent and important for the society for the situation now. In COVID situation. Why? Because the Constitution number 12, the year of 2011, if you have to formation of legislation, you must be transparent. And now, this Constitution is not transparent. Okay, and that is why this is should be rejected. International Labour Organization number 113, the year of 1960, there are a consultation about the industrial and national level consultation. And that is a employment right for the consultation, the governments and the businessmen. This omnibus and this UU Cipta Kerja is not depends on them. The role of the community is reduced. Why? Because this UU Cipta Kerja, this constitution, this is like centralization of the governance. So the regional autonomy is too risks. And yeah, because of that, there are abai amdal in Indonesia, like we know, or the ignore the environment. Why? Because this constitution more depends on the businessman, not the employee or the environment. The main point in here why we must to cons or contra or reject this constitution is the protection and welfare of worker neglect. In here, this is not based on International Labour Organization before what I said. If you must do this constitution, you must to depends or right for the best the aspect, more aspect, just not one. But this constitution is more depends just for the businessman and the governance. Yeah, this is from the Professor of Faculty of Law, Universitas Indonesia, Professor Maria Farida Indrati said, if you want this omnibus law, you want to there are the transparency asas. Be careful, and you must the participant of the society, and this is not of the participant. The socialization must be in that in here, and also the consider of the constitution in the future. This is not on depends right now. And the status quo in here, as we know before, the Corindo, the corporation from the South Korea, there are open our forests in Papua without any regulation from the governance or the society. The society disagree about their open. But why the Corindo still open that? Because in this constitution just depends to the businessman or the governance corporation. And we must disagree. We should disagree this constitution. Yeah, because of that. And yeah, that's my opinion about this house belief in the UU Cipta Kerja. If any wrong from me, you can correct me. I'm still studying. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.